Hello Tabbers, my name is Mark. Welcome to my home. This is another tech tip video, sort of a double feature from the last video we did a while back where we talked about how to use your voltmeter to measure the truck side of your 7-pin connector that connects to your trailer, how to take these probes and measure and tell if your truck is wired right, if you don't have any problems here, that kind of business. Well, as part of that double feature, we're going to talk to you about the trailer side of your 7-pin connector. Now, you may, if you want to, let's say that you're having trouble with your turn signals or your brake lights or anything back there. To test that, you basically have to back your vehicle up to the trailer. You have to connect it, and then you have to have somebody push on the brakes, blah, blah. Well, actually, I'm going to show you a little trick. You don't have to do any of that. If you just take a piece of wire like this one, this is solid core 22 gauge, it's like what's in your house, or 12 gauge, whatever you've got, any stiff piece of wire. Go ahead and take some wire cutters and just take it, strip off some ends. So I've got a little stiff little piece of wire here, a little U wire, copper. Anyway, the interesting thing here, if we take a look, I'm going to zoom on down so you can see it real clear. I'm hoping you can. We are, this side of the diagram is showing the trailer side. We are looking into the trailer plug with the pin up. This is the tow side, this is the trailer side, so with the pin up. You notice here that they're pin 4, this guy right here, this guy, he is 12 volts auxiliary charging, and that's the line that comes down from your vehicle, from your vehicle's alternator, and goes in and charges your trailer battery. Well, the interesting thing is that pin is connected to your trailer battery. If your trailer battery is turned on, if your trailer battery is switched to the on position, you'll find that pin is exactly 12 volts. And the interesting thing here is that, let's say that the truck wants to, you put your foot on the brake, and the truck wants to turn on the, if it puts 12 volts on this pin, that's what runs your right turn lights. If it puts 12 volts on this pin, it runs your left turn signal lights. So it is possible that if you take this jumper, if I were to take jump from pin 4 and touch it to pin 6, just like that, what do you expect would happen there? We would get 12 volts from the trailer into the turn signals. So this, if I do that between pin 4 and pin 6, it'll light my right turn signals. If I do this, it'll light my left turn signals. If I do this, it'll turn on my running lights. All of the lights on your trailer can be run just by jumpering the 12 volt line on pin 4 to any of the lights that run. Now I'm going to give you a warning. There's one pin down here. So pin 1 is ground. Don't ever, never ever connect pin 4 to pin 1. If you do so, you'll be taking your 12 volts and connecting it directly to ground. You'll get a big spark, and you burn the fuse out on your right up front by your battery. So it's not catastrophic, but don't do that. So you can take this 12 volts, this auxiliary charging line, and you can hook it anywhere on here and run whatever circuit, whatever light you want, just like that. If you want to run your lights and test them out, you have some problem, you don't have to hook your vehicle up to it, you can do it. The other thing that's nice here is, let's say you're going to buy a trailer and you've shown up at somebody's house and they have a trailer sitting there. Would you like to know if the lights are going to work before you drive it home? And you don't want to hook your truck to it because you're not sure you're going to buy it yet. Just take this jumper and go, oh, look at that, the running lights work. Oh, the right turn signals work. Oh, the left-hand turn signal works. Oh, the brake lights work. Just like that. Really simple. So we're going to go out to the trailer. I'm going to show you how this works in real life. Let's get at it. Okay, this is the front end of my 2015 Tab Maxxis trailer. This is my 7-pin connector. I'm going to orient it. See, with the little tab up here, just like it's in the picture. If we look, let's say I want to test the running lights. Well, you see that the running lights are on pin 2. So if I connect pin 4, excuse me, the running lights are on pin 3. If I connect pin 4 to pin 3, my running lights on the trailer should come on. So let's do that. So I'm going to go between pins 4 and pins 3, and you can just take this wire and you can just that simple, stick it in there. So let's go back and see if the running lights are on. Look at that. My running lights are on. Pretty cool. So I know, just that simple. I didn't have to hook my trailer up. I didn't have to do anything other than just jumper pin 12 to my running lights. So let's continue on. Let's say that I want to test, how about my my right turn light, my right turn signal. We can, if we look at where the right turn signal is, we can see that right turn is on pin 6, and so we'll jumper pin 4 to pin 6. So we'll go pin 4, pin 4 to pin 6, just like that. Let's go see if that turn signal's on. And look at that. It is. So we don't need to go through the whole thing, but that's it. And I got to tell you, and we'll tell it one more time, don't ever, never, ever, don't ever connect pin 4 right here. Don't ever connect pin 4 to ground. Don't ever do that. Okay? If you do that, you'll burn a fuse out inside your battery tub. So that's it. Short video today, but this is a way to basically test trailer lights without hooking a tow vehicle up to it. Pretty handy. See you next time.